Curtis King.
So yeah, I got an accordion. Apparently I think I'm Steve Urkel.
Did I do
Comes with the accordion in a box and some instructions in it. That's literally it. But I found this on Amazon for 22 bucks. It's made by a company called To Snail, recommended for ages 3 and up. I guess I fit that criteria. There are 7 vocal keys and another 3 buttons on the left, which are harmony, bass, and deflated button. Ah, okay. So let's unstrap this first of all. This is the thumb holder. Oh, it's really rough. So I think there's an air valve button over here. There we go. And there is a bass note here. And then there's a harmony or chord mode. So the 90s kid in me instantly thinks about Steve Urkel. Did I do that? I don't think I've ever made a beat with accordion in it. There's a part of me that kind of wants to just go for it, but I think I'll look for some tutorials just to see if there's some different techniques and tips on how to play it.
Music, then you just go right ahead.
All right, so I brought a tuner into this situation to see if I actually got the notes, because I wasn't clear on it until I watched a few videos. It starts on D when you inflate. When you deflate, it goes down a note. So C. That's F to E. Ah. Look, I won't even hold you. It took me a few hours to even get this. But after I started to move the sample like I would any other one, I got momentum.
Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed.
All right, let's do one more final playback. I think this is it.
You can go, but you got M's in the bank like this. Me and my dog, the way we live.
ladies and gentlemen, that was the Kid Accordion. This was a challenge to work with. The thing that was the most difficult was getting used to how the notes relate to one another. But with that said, is it something that you like the sound of? Is it something that you would pick up? Also, if you want to get this same exact accordion from Amazon, I have a link down below to get more information on it. If you've been missing some of the episodes in this series, you can go right up here and watch the playlist. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Y'all have a good one. Peace.